Out of here. Oh, yeah. He visited our school, got plus 800, plus 700. I mean, that should have put us in the top, man, of those guys. That should have put us in the top of those guys. Let's get them all in on this week. If we can load up everybody with that week, hopefully get them to commit to where we got some more people we can go after. We might as well lock him on out, remove him. Get him to commit. You committed somewhere else. All right, we're not gonna get you. Let's go ahead and offer you a scholarship. All right, let's show their percent locked. Now we can go off of this and just see where we at. So they are. Let's get out of this one. Get out of that one. Out of that one. Get out of that one. Out of that one. Get out. All right, that's us. We're in the league. Yeah, I'll put 250 on each. I'll put 350. Just want to make sure I get them. Put y'all in half. Yeah, your man in zone coverage is high plus your speed. I like that. He's gonna be a really good player. He's gonna be a really good player. Recruiting stuff there. Let's go ahead and go here. Look at the lock players. 4-star running back. 4-star athlete. Let's keep going down. Come on, let's see what else we get. You're a running back. 4-star. I'll throw you on the board. Just throw you on. 4-star quarterback. Get you on there just cause. Slow though. He's a 4-star though. You know, I will look at. I'll take a quarterback every year. At this point, let's go outside linebackers real quick. Actually no. Let's go guards. We still need guards. I'll get back in on you. Yeah, what it is. All right, what I say? Outside linebacker next. All right, that look like it right there. Actually, let me check out these athletes too. You always got to check out the athletes. All right, there we go. We good. That boy Trey coming in with the. Okay, he deflected it. It's so hard to start back playing a game after something like that happens, man. Like your mind be on it. Like you be like, dang. Like, that's all you thinking about. Come on, sit him down. Oh, what a tackle. Oh, he still got the first. Sit him down. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. 4th and inches, man. If 21 gets his block right here, we're good. Oh, never mind. We're not good. We're not good. We're not good. Yo, literally no one blocked. You can replay that and show them. No one blocked. Nobody.
He might not be able to get the pass off. And the ball bounces out of
That's all right. We foaming out of bounds, man.
Really would have expected them to punt this ball.
Yeah, expect us to punt that. We got a first down.
Lewis off the fake.
Try to throw it away.
Scrambling around. Got hit and still completed.
Let's go. How you make a play?
Big play against a good offense.
It's a bad read. Bad read.
Open field. He's at the 30. Knocked out of bounds.
He's running the pressure from this side. Let's hand it. Oh, never mind. The block. Tried to hand it, but look, I'm okay with that. Yeah, throw that out of bounds. See what you do.
Takes it
You really just gonna let him grab me like that? Come on, man. Same thing. Out of here. Let's go.
Here's a running play.
Wow. He drops it. Boom. Ah, that was a good throw. There we go. Good tackle. What's good, JT? There we go. Good tackle. He fumbles it into the end zone, and then dude grabs it.
Can't afford to waste possessions. Now he tries to buy some time.
Where are you throwing it, bro? R1's right there. I just want to have respect for it.
He's gonna go for the home run.
Oh, if we could have got that. Oh, I almost threw a pick there. I ain't gonna lie.
He's got nowhere to go. This call to go for it, but that's why I'm not coaching, folks.
Oh my, what a dive. Audible, change the play. Face mask. Call that. Call that.
He's scrambling.
Throw it out.
And he throws it.
Yo, why are you going backwards though? Get the first down, man. Oh yeah. Like I said, we're gonna go for it, man. 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 We're not just gonna get the first down. We're gonna get the touchdown. We're just not gonna get the first down. We're gonna go get the touchdown. Simple as that.
Let's see if they can stop him this time.
As long as this quarterback has
5. Let's see if the quarterback heaves it up there and one of his guys can come down with it. And they
That's a
got
sack. Let's go.
it. Is up 4. He's to the 40. And down he goes. Keeps his eye on it, makes the catch.
There we go. Say you miss ncaafootball. Yeah, it's pretty lit. I ain't gonna lie to you. He's supposed to sit there. You're not supposed to break out, bro. He's supposed to sit there. Oh, we gotta get that pass off.
He lets it fly.
Oh yeah, baby. What a dot. What a dot. What a dot, man. Stop playing with me. Like, that junk is annoying, bro. I hate that. I hate that, bro. For real, for real. Oh, tackle him. Oh my. Oh, that was gonna be a pick if he'd have threw that. Oh, that was gonna be a pick if he threw it to me. Good thing he threw it out of bounds again, man. Look, them boys out here scrapped up. Throw it. That's what I wanted you to do. That's what I wanted you to do. I baited him. You know what I'm saying?
It already seems like whatever this defense is trying just isn't working.
Oh, we fell forward though.
He's under pressure.
For the first down though, let's slide. Oh my goodness.
He's out to the 30.
How you get caught though?
36.
How you get caught though? Oh my, I got blasted.
He heaves it to the end zone.
My DB just literally ran out of bounds instead of playing the ball. I need a new corner. Look at this.
Take anything away from the quarterback, but the wide receiver made this play.
Like, where are you running? He's getting benched.
Colorado has a 3-point lead. And on the 28.
Let's run a little wildcat. Hey, nah, they definitely got to. They got to. At least that's the right thing. That may get caught by a freaking DN. Oh, the first down though. That was close. Oh, that was almost a pick. Run him over for the first. Hey, get off him. Get off him. Get off him. Don't worry about it. Run him over. There we go. Touchdown. 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 Touchdown.
There's got to be feeling so good about the execution that he's seeing from his quarterback and his wide receiver. Because again,
Catches it and he's looking for
Boom.
more.
Oh, you just gonna run all my team over, huh? Run my whole team over, huh? That's crazy.
Fires it out.
I just got dotted.
Huge play.
I just got dotted.
From a very different ball game. They go with the run.
Oh my goodness.
And he has it on the corner. He fights forward to
All right, here we go. It should be game right here after this play.
well, that's just a huge
That should be ball game right there.
in the fourth quarter in a game this tight. That might be one we look back on later and say that was a ball game.
25-28. Good guys on top, man. Let's go. Update that title. We are 5-5 in our season, man. We came back, got it back to 500 even. Look, we got to come out next week and win a game so we can be up.
In a tight one.
Let's go.
Colorado